Hey friends, if you wish to change your country in Microsoft Store on Windows 11, then please watch this video. So typically it's not possible. I'll tell you why, because Microsoft Store is set for downloading applications to your system, and these applications may be region specific. So if you are actually changing the region, you will have to change the region for the entire system, the entire Windows account. Right click on the start button, select settings. Go to the time and language tab on the list on the left hand side and select language and region in the right pane. Scroll down, select country and region, and then you can select a different country or a different region. Okay, like you can select United States, or let's say I can change the country to India. Okay, and now once I have changed this, then the device setup location will also be changed eventually after I restart the computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.